Welcome to our Clinsoft tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how a facility instructor can log in and customize their profile in Clinsoft. Whether you need to update your information, change your profile photo, or upload important documents, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open the Clinsoft Institution portal. In the User Selection dropdown, choose Facility. Enter your organizational email and the password provided by the Clinsoft team. Click on Sign In, and you'll be taken to your Clinsoft dashboard. In the top right corner of the dashboard, you'll see your name. Click on it and select My Profile to open your profile page. On your profile page, you'll see several tabs: Edit Profile, Change Password, Update Profile Photo, Resume, and Signature. Each tab lets you manage a specific part of your profile. Let's start with the Edit Profile tab. Your name, email, time zone, and address are added when your profile is first created. However, you can update this information anytime. Just make the necessary changes and click Save. To update your password, go to the Change Password tab. Enter your current password, then the new password, and confirm it. Once saved, remember to use your new password the next time you log in. In the Update Profile Photo tab, you can upload a new profile picture. Click Choose File, select the image from your computer, and then click Save to apply the changes. Under the Resume tab, you can upload your latest resume. Select your file and click Save. Lastly, we have the Signature tab. This is a required step in Clinsoft. Without a signature, you won't be able to complete activities like assessments. You can either upload a signature image or use the signature pad to draw and save your signature. Choose the option that works best for you, and don't forget to click Save. Keeping your profile up to date ensures smooth operations, from completing assessments to managing your documents with ease. Thanks for watching this video. Happy learning!